Welcome to SP Facilities, a maintenance and facility management product by SP Marketplace. I'm Jeff Crosman. I'm a senior product manager here at SP Marketplace. Today we're going to be looking at recurring work orders in our work order system. And to do so, we're going to start at the facilities department portal, where all maintenance and facilities department employees will come. And we're going to look on the left-hand side. There's several ways to get to the recurring work orders, but in this area, we're going to take a look at setting up a recurring work order and how that works. We have a few set up here already. Clean and sanitize the bathrooms or clean the shop floor. We'll just pick this one. Obviously, you could add however many you'd like for recurring work. When looking at this form, we have the ability to enter the title. We want to clean and sanitize the bathrooms in this case. We have a recurring work order type. So that could be recurring work or on demand, meaning we need to do it right now, but it's recurring. And we have intervals and next work order dates. So if it is every 7 days, in this case, to clean the bathrooms, this is what this date will get incremented by. So the next date on this would be the 27th of November in this example. And once the work order is generated on this date, it will increment this date by 7 days for the next work order. The request type, you can see there's fields to fill in, facilities, building, location, and so forth. If there's a contractor needed, again, you could pick that and they will get notified on the recurring work order. If there's a related asset, and we'll cover this more in our next video, assets can be assigned to recurring work, but in most cases, assets in this case would be used for asset maintenance or preventative maintenance. You can, however, we have a field here for an asset. If this recurring work does associate to a specific asset, you can enter that information and it will show up on the asset. You have a category, a subcategory, and then what's the work that's necessary to be done. This is what we want: clean, sanitize the toilets and the stalls, disinfect, and so forth. The information and any attachments or documents. If you have a checklist that you want to add to this or a fillable PDF form or something such as that, you can attach it to this work order and the maintenance technician would be able to see that, access it, and or fill it out. Any comments that are related to this recurring work can be put here. Once a recurring work order has been set up here, on the day that the work order is to be generated, the system will automatically generate that and it will show up in the work orders list, and it will be prefaced with recurring work order. These can be sorted by filtering the view. This is standard SharePoint, so you can come up and say, just show me all of the work orders that are recurring work orders, or by due date, or by any other type of field filter that you'd like to do. In our next video, we're going to be showing preventative maintenance and assets and how those are closely identified together and linked together. Thank you for watching, and we'll speak again soon.